teacher made an announcement.
2 teachers in the school participated in a 3D printing course funded by EIT Manufacturing and supported by Stryker and iForum based in UCD.
And then she gave us the best news.
We have the loan of a 3D printer.
Yay! 3D printer!
We are soon learning about Tinkercad
And slicer software. And 3D printing.
Teacher made a second announcement.
We have been invited to participate in a 3D printing sustainability challenge.
Some suggestions were a bit ambitious.
What about soccer goals?
No.
We should print an adventure playground.
You can print an adventure playground!
What about a swimming pool?
We found out that 6 class are getting lockers.
That gives me an idea. As I thought, the key box is full. We're going to need some place to keep the keys.
With a lot of teamwork,
Our project started to come together. We wanted something fun and creative.
Are you playing that game again?
Maybe.
Wait, that gives me an idea.
What about T for Togher, like the crest?
we spent a lot of time on the design.
We made prototypes using recycled materials.
Next we were on to Tinkercad.
We ran into a few problems along the way.
If you put the hole there, the keyring will hit the wall. But, I don't know, something there like this. Those legs are a little bit too flimsy.
Really stiff. Maybe we could put something here to catch hold of.
The teacher said that spheres are really hard to print.
We made a few adjustments.
And tweaked the design. We had delay with the results.
That's looking good.
I think it looks good. We just need to print 3 more of each and then we're done.